Mr. Downhill. Yeah! What's that? Oh yeah. Oh, some blind corners. I'm gonna hit this part. A little bit of further. That wasn't as cute as I wanted. Nope. Nope. That's not it. That'll do. You fool? You can look back. Yeah. Take that! You had a head start. You had a head start. Yes! I'll take you on this one too, bitch. Oh, scared me. Couldn't hear him. That's Matt's line. This is Matt's line right here. Right through it. Yes. Nope, not enough. Yep.
Then end the video now.
Did you guys put extra rocks in my backpack?
Yeah. That way you burn like an extra 20 calories.
Oh, son of a... Oh, fuck. Wow.
Or you could see there, you see deer coming from the left,
Yeah, boy.
and there's 4 of them all in a line, but like spaced out, and there's 3 does getting chased by a big buck. And so I mean, it's like coming on a downhill. I was in hardest gear, so I totally almost stopped. And the 3 does up in front, and then the buck, and he didn't even look at me. He was just like, if I had like tried to cut in front of him, or gone between them,
He would have been like,
I probably would have. Yeah.
trying to find a lady.
Yeah. Look at the angle, like you said, like forked out. Sure.
Morning. Wow. Wow. What?
$1 IPA.
Yeah. You brought the cooler, right?
It's tough when we finish our rides at 10:30 in the morning. I was going to justify the other rides that I do with my buddies.
I think it's perfectly justified. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh no, we've had breakfast is the fun part.
This is the fun part. Go ahead. Oh, oh. I still got that victory. Oh. Whew. Somebody took the battery out of my bike too. What want to say, Bennett?
Hi.
That's it?